You're watching Fox 45 Morning News. All local, all morning.
This is National Prevention Week, an annual observance dedicated to increasing public awareness and action around mental or substance use disorders. Here now, former drug trafficker and youth advocate, Kevin Shird. Thank you so much for coming in.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good, good. Okay, Baltimore, we hear a lot about it. Drug trafficking is a big deal here. I mean, they've made HBO series on it. You know,
right.
we're known for The Wire. We're known for this.
Right.
You were a part of that.
I was a part of that, and now I'm trying to be a part of something even bigger. And so National Prevention Week for Baltimore has to be a major issue, right? Per capita, Baltimore is one of the leading cities in the country when it comes to heroin addiction, heroin overdoses, and heroin overdose deaths. Okay. And so we got to educate our kids on the dangers of these things. Treatment is important.
Right.
But prevention is even more important because we got to help these kids before they even get in trouble in the first place.
We've got legislation being introduced on saying, you know what, you can co-prescribe substance abuse like Narcan and things going on there.
Right.
We've got needle exchange programs in Baltimore.
Right.
Why have we been talking about this since, what, 60s?
Well, because we just haven't approached the issue. I mean, just a few years ago, we just started talking about addiction as a disease.
Right.
And so we're making progress, but we haven't made the progress that we need to make. We rarely talk about prevention. We rarely invest in prevention. Baltimore should be one of the #1 cities in the country with prevention programs in schools, educating kids at an early age about the dangers of drugs so they could have the information that they need so they can make proper decisions when the time comes. Mm-hmm. Because at some point, we all are faced with the point where we have to make a decision about a substance, if it's alcohol, cigarettes, or illegal drugs.
You're faced with that, so getting the education there, because what are the options in Baltimore, though? I mean, you have kids that are what are they faced with?
They're faced with, seeing their parents as addicts, walking home from school, seeing drugs being sold on the corners, seeing addicts in their community. So this is their reality, right? But what are we doing to give them the tools so that they can make the proper decision when that time comes? And we're not leading the charge in that area. And Baltimore, as a city, we have to do better when it comes to prevention. And that's what this event is all about.
And this week we have one today, 11 o'clock, Morgan State University is happening. They're talking about it. And then also all week long, we have all different types of programs. And you're leading a lot of those charges.
And so I'll be at Green Street Academy School in West Baltimore on Friday, talking to more kids about the importance of prevention.
Kevin Shird, thank you so much. We appreciate you coming in. We thank you very much for your time. Well,